Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. And friends, there is a big news which is coming here from TCS, the big Diwali dhamaka. TCS has released the result of the interview which was conducted for 2025 batch. So TCS All India NQT Financial Year 2025, congratulations on selection process. Greetings from Tata Consultancy Services. We are delighted to inform you that you have been shortlisted for the prime offer categories as part of TCS NQT All India selection process. You can expect to receive your TCS offer letter shortly in the next step portal. Friends, one thing which I would like to tell you. So first of all, congratulations to the one who has cleared TCS NQT for the Digital Prime Ninja offers, and the one who has not cleared, friends, I'm telling you, definitely a better opportunity is waiting for you. See, God has some other plan for you. If you are not in plan A, then plan B God has already created for you. Just keep working hard to achieve your goal. Okay, now, so friends, now it is very clear that TCS result has been announced and there is a delay, but TCS has given the Diwali dhamaka. So definitely this will be happening in the phases. So many of you might not have received the result. TCS is also sending the rejection mail. Okay, so rejection mail also, you be ready to receive this rejection mail, but it's all about, you know, your luck as well. So many of you would have put a lot of effort but still got rejection email. Don't worry, friends, I'm telling you, life will give you another opportunity. Okay, and here you will definitely be getting better opportunities. Don't worry about it, right? Okay, so next process will be, you will be receiving the offer letter and then your joining will be there. TCS joining generally starts after 2 months. Now people will come and comment that I am waiting from 1 year. Okay, see, there will be some delay will be there. So but after 2 months generally this TCS joining starts. Okay, you will be soon receiving this offer letter in your next step portal, and then you'll have to upload your document. And friends, once again, see, like every time again, we have started getting the result from the student. So I want to thank you a lot, Pratik sir. I got selection in TCS digital today, and your interview courses helped a lot. Thank you so much, friends. I just wanted to tell you, right, see, this is for this day only. We work really very hard, where when the result comes and you say that yes, this is from our application. Okay, here you see, so TCS is sending selection mail and this guy has selected for prime role. That is what a screenshot I shared with you. You see red color and then this thing, right? Sir, because of your TCS aptitude video, I cleared this, thank you, right? Okay, so friends, this is where I feel a lot of happiness. Even it is now the recording time is 10 o'clock, right? Okay, 10 o'clock, 10:05, but still that kind of motivation we get, because these are the results definitely motivate us a lot, and for this is the day we work for. Friends, if you're selected and if our videos has helped you, please put in the comment section here. Let me also know that our hard work which we had done, okay, during your TCS examination, either on live or in the classes, okay, which is clearly visible. So in our live classes, I used to take 2 hours of the class here, and a lot of effort has gone. Okay, so that's what TCS was the last exam where, okay, TCS coding questions, TCS NQT reasoning revision, aptitude revision, right? So a lot of effort we had put during your examination, and this is the time where you have received the result, and I'm grateful to all of you. Thank you so much. Keep loving, and don't forget to put in the comment section that our videos had helped you to crack TCS NQT. Thank you.